To activate and use keyboard Clipboard in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to click on any text so that we can see our keyboard. Now on the top of it, you can see this icon right here in the middle. If you click on it, it should open your clipboard. Now you can use this switch right here to turn it on and off. When it's activated, you'll see different clipboard tips that are already connected to your phone, so you can remove them if you like. Simply click and hold on each of them and select the delete button. When we have everything removed, we can add different things to our clipboard. All you have to do is start typing. So type in whatever you want, or if you have something that you want to copy to your clipboard, I will show you that in a moment. So we're gonna type in something like that, some gibberish. We can click and hold it and then copy it. This should instantly land in our clipboard. We can click on the clipboard right here, and then you should see it. Now you can click and hold onto the text that you've copied and put in your clipboard to pin it, and that way it will always stay in your clipboard. You can click on it right here to type it as many times as you like, and you can also click and hold it to remove it with delete. And that is how you can use your clipboard. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.